Right, under the domain here, my name is Shane, and today I have a domain name that is for sale. It's CochraneDentistry.com, and it's for dentists in the city of Cochrane. So if you're in the city and you want some more free organic traffic, then this domain name is for you. It's CochraneDentistry.com. All you have to do is, if you have a web designer, webmaster, whatever, just if you purchase this domain, you can actually link it to your website. So when people type in CochraneDentistry.com or Cochrane Dentistry, it'll go to whatever website that you have. So you can just ask your website guy to set that up for you. But that site is available right now for $497, and the price is going up. Right now, that's it. You can actually find it on GoDaddy right now as a premium listing. So you just go onto GoDaddy, do the search CochraneDentistry.com. You'll see it pop up for $497. Click on buy now, and that's it, and it's yours. GoDaddy handles everything. So there you go. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, you could always email me as well. I'll also put the GoDaddy link in this video just below. All you have to do is just scroll through the description and you'll find it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.